Hi everyone, Fadi Reyes, VP of Product Development and Marketing at Orthopediatrics. I'm here today to present to you the latest innovation in the Fassier-Duval system, the handheld female cutter. This new instrument allows you to achieve a factory finish on your cuts in the OR without the need of high speed. I'm going to demo the few simple steps to do this cutting procedure intraoperatively. I will now demonstrate the cutting step using the FC cut, the handheld female cutter. So first, you mark your implant at the desired cut. You can use the ruler on our FC cutting jig to do such marking on the implant. It is very important to use the cutting jig as you need to stabilize the implant during the cutting procedure, preventing it from rotating during the cutting. You can notice that I'm loading the implant backwards as I need the clearance for my hand to rotate the part. Once the implant is secure on the handheld cutter, I simply remove the knob here. Now rest assured, if you do like I did and drop or lose this knob, replacement part can be ordered. Insert the cutting wheel into the cutter. This is a single-use cutting wheel. Tighten it for assembly. And now simply load the cutter at the desired cutting mark, centered over the cutting rollers. You'll notice this is only finger tight assembly, and you'll notice that the cutter has an orientation for rotation. We want the cutter rotating in this orientation to ensure that the knob does not loosen. You do a few turns. After 2 or 3 turns, you'll notice loosening, so then you tighten the wheel again. As I'm doing this, I'm advancing the cutting wheel into the material. So I periodically advance the rollers to continue the cutting. This generates a very clean and flush cut and does not generate any heat or sparks or burrs on the implant. We estimate cutting time to be between 45 seconds and 1.5 minutes, depending on the size of the implant. I can feel that this is almost already completed. And there you go. This is a 4.8 implant in cut under 1 minute. The resulting cut is an extremely smooth finished surface. The only step remaining is using our conical deburring tool to finish cleaning and then flushing for any debris, and we're ready to go. The final deburring step, using the FC burr connected to your low speed on a chuck, you simply, at low speed, deburr the internal diameter. This removes any material that would have been squeezed into the center with the cutting step. The final step is to take a male component and validate that our cut is smooth, simply inserting the male and the female, and validate that it could run smoothly inside the female.